Hi, I'm Belle from the Sonoma Test Kitchen. If you're like me, you've been seeing celery juice everywhere. It's all over Instagram and all my friends are either drinking it or talking about it. I was curious what the hype was all about, so I did a little research and found out some cool information and some fun tips that I'm gonna share with you. Celery juice only uses two things, really good celery and a really good juicer. Today I'm using the newest Kuvings whole slow juicer, the Elite C7000. People who drink celery juice swear by it. It's really great for your skin, helps in digestion, which are all really enticing reasons to try it out. So let's get juicing. To make my celery juice, I'm gonna use a slow juicer because slow juicers have a higher yield and fresher flavor. So first I'm just gonna turn on the juicer. This juicer has a wide feed tube, so it's easy to throw the celery right in there. I also love this machine because the low speed processing really gently crushes the ingredients that go through it. All the crushing and extracting is done by a heavy duty screw, which will minimize oxidation. Less oxidation means less browning and foaming, which means you'll only get the purest juice of the ingredients that you put through the machine. I like to add a little lemon just to, liven things up a bit. So refreshing. That lemon definitely adds a nice acidity to the celery juice. I'm gonna put all my celery making tips on the Sonoma blog, so go check it out. I wanna show you one other thing you can do with this juicer, which is to make homemade almond milk. I'm gonna start with some almonds that have been soaking overnight in the fridge. I do this so that the nut is able to soften and will be able to be processed through the juicer. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the juicer and I wanna make sure that this cap is shut. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the soaking liquid. Then I'm gonna add just a few almonds at a time, about a quarter cup. I'm gonna open the cap. When I make almond milk, I like to use the liquid that the almonds have been soaking in. That way it has that rich flavor. This machine is also super versatile, so you can use it to make baby food, fruit sorbets, and all the juicing and nut milks your heart desires. So there you have it. We just made fresh celery juice and homemade almond milk with a single Kuvings juicer. To learn more about this product, head to williamsonoma.com.